Hi guys, my name is Rodrigo and you're watching Travelzilla, and today I'm going to fly Ryanair from TERCEIRA Island here in the Azores to Lisbon. Let's go. So it cost me 20 euros to get from Angra do Heroismo, which is the main city here on the island, to here. And it takes about 30 minutes to get here. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. I just called a cab. Get on a cab or get somebody to give you a ride.
It was so windy that I thought that the flight was going to be cancelled.
So guys, it's very windy today. The flight from TERCEIRA to Lisbon is about 2 hours and 50 minutes. It's Ryianair, so I need to eat something before I go. I'm a bit hungry. So it's very, very windy today, so I'm like, check this out, it's so windy. My goodness.
The airport is very small yet really nice. I got there too early, even before the shops were open, so I went to a place called Cockpit across the street, outside in front of the passenger terminal, to have some breakfast.
So I super recommend this place, Cockpit, which is in front of the airport. I spent $2.80 on a really nice ham and cheese sandwich and a latte. Awesome. And the guy's so nice, so I definitely recommend this.
Like I said before, I got there really early. 1 hour before the flight, the baggage started being checked by the Ryanair crew. I checked in my piece of luggage and headed to the lower floor to finally go through security and get to the boarding area close to my given gate. Let's go. My Ryanair flight was supposed to depart at 8:55 a.m. It was on time, everything seemed normal, and the gate number was announced. I had to get to gate number 5. So I went through security and made my way to my given gate.
Bom dia, senhores e senhoras, bem-vindo ao seu voo Ryanair FX 6067 com destino a Lisboa. Dentro de momentos daremos início ao embarque na porta 5. Por favor, respeite os filas existentes, tenha seu cartão de embarque e identificação prontos para verificação. Passageiros com prioridade.
Quickly after boarding was announced, a line took shape, then it got divided into 2 lines, regular and priority. I was standing in priority since I had paid extra for that.
When you're gonna board, they tell you if you should enter through the back door or the front door. So check your ticket.
We made our way to the aircraft on foot, which took about 5 minutes walking. Before you board, make sure you read your ticket, for it informs if you must get in via the rear or the front of the aircraft. I had to get in via the back of the aircraft, so let's go. It was so windy that I could barely record a video without interference. It was nuts. I finally got inside the aircraft, looked for my seat number by the window as previously chosen, and I was ready to fly. My seat number was 19A. This flight took place in the pandemic, so we had to wear masks at the airport and inside the aircraft. I had to take a bunch of COVID tests as well. An RT-PCR before I came to the island, and 1 RT-PCR every 6 days. So I was here for 15 days, so I had to take, 2 extra tests. And then 1 test before I left the island to go to Lisbon. It was nuts, guys. I came to the island to honor my ancestors. I have ancestors in all islands of the archipelagos of Madeira and the Azores. The Azores alone is made up of 9 islands, so I have ancestors in all of them, as I said before. And some last names include the Távora, the Anes, Ornelas, Câmara, Gonçalves, Canto, Rocha, so on and so forth. It's crazy. Please watch my video about the airport of Lajes on the island of TERCEIRA. It's here on Travelzilla, as well as a flight review of my flight coming in from Lisbon. All videos here have versions in both languages, English and Portuguese, so beware.
E vistam. Passa a fita à volta da cintura e aperta à frente. Para insuflar o colete, puxe firmemente na peça vermelha. Existe tubo para encher ou vazar.
In Portugal and Brazil, there are minor differences in the way we write and pronounce certain words, and sometimes it sounds really funny.
Antes da descolagem, por favor, verifique o cartão de segurança junto do seu assento, pois contém importantes informações de segurança.
Well, now it's time to take off. Are you ready to fly? I am, so let's go. Hey guys, get ready for this island is stunning. Check this out.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're enjoying your flight. We will shortly pass through the cabin with our great fun scratch card.
So we flew on a Boeing 737-800 by Ryianair. The seats are comfortable yet very simple. After all, we all know that this is a budget airlines. It was comfy, good leg room, but keep in mind that I'm only 5'10" in height, so if you're taller than me, I can't guarantee that much extra leg room for you, sorry, but if you're shorter, you'll be fine. The security instructions are displayed on the back of the seat in front of you. Please read it carefully. You can also either scan the QR code and access the menu or download the app. It will be available on the app as well, okay? As you can tell, the flight was half full, so I had plenty of space to film for you guys. At least we had leather seats, so the experience was good overall. Seats were comfortable, standard stuff though. Now let's check out the restroom. The funny thing was that I was trying to film the restroom to show to you guys, but the Ryanair crew was pushing to sell a bunch of scratch and win games, and given the prices of scratch and win cards, so on and so forth, it was quite funny to me because I had never seen anything like that before on an airplane. You know, it was funny and they were being really friendly. I didn't purchase one this time, but I will next time, I promise.
Para ser uma raspadinha de apenas 2€, temos também uma...
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're enjoying your flight. We will shortly pass through the cabin with our great fun scratch card game.
The duration of the flight was of around 2 hours. TERCEIRA is located 1,566 kilometers or 973 miles from Lisbon, and our flight speed was of about 800 kilometers or 497 miles per hour on a Boeing 737-800, so about 2 hours. So the flight cost me 41 euros, round trip, a very good deal, huh? I was happy about that. It included one piece of luggage each way and priority. It was a good deal. So as I said before, the flight will be about 2 hours in total. Hey, I can finally see Lisbon from the plane. Now it's time to enjoy our descent. Let's go, shall we? Hello, Lisbon.
Cabin crew, 10 minutes to landing, 10 minutes.
As you probably know, you can purchase perfumes, makeup, and other products. You can buy food and even scratch and win cards now on a Ryanair flight. Way to go, you guys. But now the fun is over. Time to leave the plane. So we left the plane and took the bus to the passenger terminal, and the ride takes about, between 5 to 10 minutes in total. Not bad at all. I got to the baggage claim area, checked which belt or baggage carousel pertained to our flight, and headed there, but everything wasn't as perfect as expected.
So the plane got here 10 minutes earlier. That's really cool. So I'm waiting for my bags right now. And then that's it. So I just got here from the Azores Islands, from TERCEIRA, and I'm gonna get my bags, and then I'm gonna collect my Portuguese passport at the passport shop, or Loja do Passaporte. Let's check it out. Come along.
Airport crew changed our given belt a few times, and airport personnel even told us to go to the wrong belt. Hello, you guys, wake up.
So it wasn't the wrong one. They told us I could collect my bags at number 6, then number 1. It was at number 11. Anyway, so beware.
I finally picked up my piece of luggage, and now before I went anywhere, I had to stop at the passport shop to pick up my new Portuguese passport. I'm excited about that. It will be delivered to me right there and then. Let's go. The passport shop, or Loja do Passaporte, is located under a Burger King. How yummy! Maybe my passport will smell like hamburgers. I hope not. So I was really excited about getting this passport, you guys. I finally got there and picked up my passport, which made me pretty happy, for I'm super proud of my Portuguese heritage. I may be Brazilian as well, which I'm really proud of, and I may have an Italian last name. The minority of my family came from Italy, but I'm more Portuguese than anything in the land on both my mom and dad's side. Almost everyone came from Portugal and migrated to Brazil, so here we go. I'm really happy to be Portuguese, I'm really happy to be Brazilian, and I'm really happy of my Italian heritage as well. Way to go. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me all the way to the end of this video. Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe. And also to follow me on Instagram at Rodrigo Morante with 2 T's, link in description and in the first comment of the comment section. Please watch my other videos about, airport reviews, flight reviews, hotel reviews, super vlogs, so on and so forth. It's all here on Travelzilla in both English and Portuguese. See you next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.